Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 cordless car polisher. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is WORX 20V Cordless Buffer Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, WORX. Model, 20V Cordless Buffer Polisher. Type, buffer and polisher. Power source, battery. Disc diameter, 6 inches. Battery capacity, 4 Ah. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is SPTA 18V 5-inch Cordless Car Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, SPTA. Speed range, 2000 to 4500. Applicable wheel diameter range, 6 inch. Weight, 4.26 kilograms. Material, plastic and metal. Rated voltage, 18V. No load speed, 1800 to 4800 RPM. Function, car waxing, polishing, and fast finishing. As the item number 3 we've selected, SPTA 12V Cordless Mini Car Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, SPTA. Speed stall, 7. Speed range, 1000 to 700. Orbit, 9 mm. Power, 300 W. Disc diameter, 1.2 inch. Battery, 2000 mAh. Speeding, 1000-5000/min. Voltage, 12V. Battery life, about 45 minutes. Warranty, 12 months. Weight, 2 kgs. Item number 2 is Ottawa's 125mm Cordless Car Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, Ottawa's. Speed stall, 6. Speed range, 2000 to 4500 RPM. Applicable wheel diameter range, 5 inch, 125 mm. Backing plate, 5 inches. Charger time, 2.5 hour. No load speed, 2000 to 4500 RPM. Battery usage time, 120 minutes. Weight, 1.3 kg. On the top of our list at number 1 we have BOKA S4 Cordless Car Polisher. Specifications. Brand name, BOKA. Speed stall, 4. Speed range, 2000 to 5500 RPM. Applicable wheel diameter range, 30 mm, 75 mm. Random orbital, 0, 3, 12 mm. Backing plate, 30 mm, 75 mm. Battery capacity, 2.5 Ah. No load speed, 2000 to 5500 RPM. Weight, 1.3 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.